So that's my dog, Enzo. Enzo, the kick-ass dog. He's just chilling because Mama's been working on our Wobble Box. We got a Wobble Box. It's the best birthday present ever. My birthday isn't for a couple of days, but I couldn't have asked for anything better right now. So I'll show you what it looks like. Bright light to the back. And then on this side, pretty cool. And the inside is actually not that bad, but I'm not going to show you everything yet because I'm going to do a lot of work on it and make it my own. All this brown is going. There's the bedroom back there.